Hello there. So I am taking a stroll on this beautiful day, this beautiful cloudy fair weather day, and getting ready for a comeback. I did say that, a comeback. Where am I coming back from? A long period of transition and a rebirth. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll tell you all about it. I am walking into the forest. Why am I going into the forest? Stay tuned to find out what awaits down this beautiful trail into the forest. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back, and I'm here to share what's been going on. Hello. It's a little waft wants to come say hi. You want to come say hi? To share, yeah, where has Elizabeth Billionaire Miles been, right? It's been a while. I've been in a transition and rebirth phase of my life. Many of you know I have been in school studying to get my doctorate in naturopathy, and I have completed my course, my school, and I am now a certified holistic health practitioner. Soon to be titled Doctor of Naturopathy, which is a naturopathic doctor, which basically focuses on all natural methods of healing with natural therapies. Anything that is natural, it comes from the earth, it comes from the ground, medicine, food, therapy, certain healing therapeutic modalities that help to heal and repair and nourish and replenish, rejuvenate, and restore the body. That's pretty much what I will be doing and what I am actually already doing moving forward. And this journey and this time away has allowed me to really, first and foremost, reconnect with all of this. Can you hear the birds? You probably see some butterflies or different insects flying around, and I've gotten an awakening. I've received an awakening. And I'm going to do my best to do this video without crying, but my transformation and rebirth period has been very severe in a good way. While I've been in school learning all about natural methods of healing and natural medicine, going deeper into my studies, I've learned a lot about us as a human race, a human nature, and how beautifully and wonderfully we were actually created and made by our Father, by God, our Creator in heaven. And it's such an honor to be able to share, to educate, to recommend, and to coach people and to teach people how to live a natural and holistic lifestyle in everything. we come from nature. We come from the ground. We were birthed from the ground. We were born from the ground, and we were born from the spirit as well. When God breathed the breath of life into us, we also became spirit beings. So we're human beings of the nature of the natural method, like human nature, right? And then we're also spirit beings of the spirit, right? God is spirit. And so understanding this and learning all about the wonderful things that our Father has blessed us with here in this earth, in our world to live by. There are so many beautiful things, guys, and I am like so honored and so excited to share all of these great, wonderful tools and methods and teachings and just day-to-day living with you guys. So yeah, it's been a great journey. It's I had to step away from social media to focus on the assignment that I have been given by God. And Miracles and Herbs was birthed actually last year, January of 2021, and then immediately God shut it down, and I had to just go inward, go deeper, and really get a clear understanding and revelation of the assignment and why He gave me Miracles and Herbs and what He wants me to do with it. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is so wonderful, and I'm excited to bring it to you on a deeper level. So stay tuned. You're going to be seeing lots more of videos of me coming on and educating and sharing with you, just filling you with knowledge and truth. Also remedies, natural remedies that you and your entire family, your children, your spouse, your husband, your wife, your grandparents, the whole entire family. Oh, and don't forget your pets. The animals can utilize every day to be in good health and just to take care of this this body that we have been blessed to live in, to connect with each other in this beautiful world that we live in. Also, I have a wonderful video that I'm going to be sharing very soon and educating on the power of forest bathing, like I'm doing today. I'm forest bathing. Yeah, I'm sitting and I am bathing and relaxing in the forest, getting recharged energetically by nature. And oh my gosh, look, the rain. It's about to rain. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear it? Those cumulus clouds. They brought in some wonderful rain. And so let me tell you, even rain is so healing and therapeutic and powerful. You know, where did it come from to where we used to run from rain? Oh, it's raining, let's run to the car. Oh, it's raining, let's get in the shed. Why? When raindrops hit our bodies, it is so therapeutic. We are receiving heaven's water drip down on our skin, on our bodies, and to experience that is just so powerful. So, are you ready to go deeper? Are you ready to learn the basics of living a natural and holistic lifestyle so that you can flourish and connect and radiate with the spirit being that our Creator has put on the inside of us to attract and to connect with each other for good? Well, I hope you said yes, because I am ready to bring the information to you and to bring the teachings to you as I live them out myself. Stay tuned. Miracles and Herbs coming to you on a grander, deeper, more radiant and miraculous level. Have you ever just laid on a log and just relax. Looked up at the sky. Listen to the birds. Close your eyes. Do some meditation, some breath work, and breathe. Some praise and worship. Giving thanks. Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. Breathing in the fresh air to the sky. Lifting up your affirmations to the heavens. Declaring what thus says the Lord and what you are expecting. And just taking it in. Forest bathing. You should try it.